Yes, you want to do it for you.
That number on it, 5, was it 58278? Yeah. 5. Wait, wait.
When that menu goes really big at the top.
Look at this. This is my daughter's bedroom. She's been dumping all this stuff in here and I'm sick of it. I'm going to tidy it out because I'm going to put a single bed in, spruce it up and make a bedroom for my granddaughter. But first of all, to try and get rid of all this. Where do I put it? Get it out of here first and let's tidy up. Right, I've got to go and find an Allen key now for these ends. Take that out, I'll burn all that. It's no good. But I've never seen as much shite here. All this baby stuff. And what it is, they all do it. Firstborn baby, they overbuy. They overthink it. They get stuff that they don't need. Stuff that they buy and they never use. So, when I've tidied this out, I'll put it back in here and I will give her some advice to get rid, to sell what she doesn't need and what she knows she won't need. Simple. Do they listen? Do they hell? Rained off again. I was going to go out today, do a bit of shopping and do a little bit of panorama photography on the river, but at the moment in time that's not going to happen, so I might as well do this, spend a couple of hours and sort this out. Hopefully it'll clear up. It's about 11:30 in the morning now and I might be able to nip and do a little bit, but probably rained off for today. If in doubt, get the crowbar out. No use messing about. What I've done is put everything in the middle so I can move around the edges and decorate without having to move stuff. Spruce it up, give it a clean. Time for a brew. It's still raining outside. It's even worse. I don't know. You just couldn't make it up. Quick! Go! Get Bum Bum. Go on then. No, you can walk. Careful. Go this way. Are you drunk? Do you want the glasses? Right, I want you to read the news. Alright? Put that on. Ta. Watch your eyes. Now then, where are we? We've got a special edition today from the man cave, haven't we? Hey? Haven't we? Say hiya. Say hiya. 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 Never work with kids and animals. Oh, no Mrs. Ermachinsky today. She usually gives me a wave. Anyway, I've been into town and bought some right old shite today. Got all this rubbish. Absolute, well, I need some new garden gloves, some reed diffusers, some new toilet things. This is Febreze lavender for my bedroom. All that shit. Got myself a colander and a big calculator because I'm struggling on my phone. Numbers are too small. Keep losing my glasses. Do you ever do that with your glasses? I get these from Poundland. Well, it's three pairs for £3 now. And I must have 10 pairs in this house. I have them in every room. In the bathroom, my bedroom, my office, front room, in here. And no matter where you go to sit, no glasses. Because you put them there originally, and then over a period of days, they all migrate to one room. Does your head in. The amount of times I've sat down, needed my glasses for my phone or something, no glasses, I've had to go and root them out. Sometimes they're in my man cave, 3 pairs, sat there. Oh, I don't know. Anyway, let's go and have a look outside. I'm behind with my chores. I just can't motivate myself. I've got to, I'll show you. Can't get on top of it. There's a million little jobs going round in my head and I'm flitting from one to the other. Still, I think I'd be bonfire. Look at that, something, I don't know what, has been eating on that. I don't know what it is. I've got some bushes to trim, some weeding. Now look at this, since I've had that bird table, look at all that grass that's grown there. I'm off to my daughter's today to board part of the loft out. So I can get all this out of this room and I can decorate this room, put a single bed in it, a few units, for when my granddaughter stays. When will it ever end? It's Tuesday today. We're supposed to be doing the loft tomorrow, but we swapped. And it's worked out better because it's raining. And what I was going to do today, I was going to go to Manchester and do a little bit more street photography, but hopefully if it's fine I can go tomorrow. But now, before my daughter arrives, I'm going to have a quick cappuccino, catch up on a bit of sports news. Right, do a bit of tidying up first. Whew. It's like doing a big jigsaw, but I'm getting there now. I'm getting there. I'm using all my made up and learnt skills over the years to pull this project off. That's it. So that's that job done. I thought slavery had been abolished. One cup of tea.
You only wanted one.
And that's it. The female Mr. Trebus. And if you don't know who Mr. Trebus is, have a look on YouTube. I made a documentary about him. He lived in London. You got it all?
Careful.
What's that?
Baby stuff.
You couldn't make it up. I did. You? I thought I were crazy. Where do you get it from?
I don't know. He was there.
No, the craziness.
Oh, you.
Whose is that?
Penelope's. She was Wednesday for Halloween. Now, be careful that there's no lid. And it's broke.
Lauren, I did notice it didn't have a lid on.